girl? Oh, you're the turkey man.
Yeah, it's me, Turkey Man. Hey, Todd, you want a virus? It's right here. Here you go.
Wait, what? What? No! I just cleaned the last virus out!
Nerf Bird, what are you doing here watching NASCAR?
Hey, Carney, remember that time I gave you therapy?
Now I don't even remember who you are.
Well,
Get out
here's
of
some
here.
therapy for you. Shave yourself bald.
I'm coming to get you.
Oh, hello, Turkey Man. Haven't seen you in a while.
Hello, Junior. What you playing?
Minecraft, it's like the best.
No. How convenient. Well, why don't I just help you out and spawn 100 creepers in your house? Just with this.
Wait, what?
Yeah, put that
What?
in. And
What's happening? What's
1,
happening?
go.
Wait, what? What is? I gotta get out. No! 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 My God! You're not my friend anymore, Turkey Man.
Never was.
I'll get you for this, Turkey Man. What the hell are you calling me? I was just looking through the absolute best French pancake mixes of all time. Why are you interrupting me?
Brother Bob, I've come to make a deal.
A deal with me, you scrawny bastard? I don't think so, but let's hear it out.
Listen, I've been prank calling and causing mischief around on the channel now. Because, I don't know, I think it's fun. I'm starting to change. And I want you in on it.
You want me on it? You want me to be a part of your mischief?
Yep.
Okay, so let me get this to a straight, nice, clean line. You're saying after all these months of us being complete enemies to each other, like full blown, you want to be frenemies now?
Yes.
Deal sounds pretty sweet, but I need something from you in return. Something a little bit extra.
Alright. How about 4 boxes of pancake mix shipped straight from Italy each month?
You got yourself a deal, you son of a bitch. We're frenemies now.
I did it!